Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. So guys, today I have many colorful of toys or vehicles here. There is a first one is a V2 super racing car here. This is a yellow, blue and white color also combination V2 racing car. There is the next one is a 3D DS car. This is a Trojan car. This color is so many colors here. This color is yellow, pink color, and blue color also here. This and there is the next one is a cartoony dump truck here. This cartoony dump truck color is pink color, purple color and face color also. And there is the next one is here. This is a Deshi vehicle auto rickshaw here or CNG auto rickshaw. This color is pink color, white color and some here this black, silver and green color also. And there is the next one is here. This is a general vehicle. This is a Tata truck. This is a Indian vehicle Tata truck and this color is here green color, yellow color and there is a another color is here black and white of wheel. There is the last one is here. This is a fire service truck or fire truck uses this or rescue also. This is a crane truck actually. So this color is a yellow, white color and black and white combination also. So guys, all of toys or vehicles introduced with you and today I hand driving with my hand all of vehicles or toys. So let's go wasting any more time. Okay, there is the first one. So let's go. Okay, I'll park here. Okay guys, next one is a 3D Trojan car, DS car. So I'll trying this one also. Okay, I'll park here besides of V2 racing car. There is a next one is a 3D cartoon dump truck. So I'll trying this one also. Okay, I'll park here. Okay guys, there is the next one is a Deshi vehicle CNG auto rickshaw. So I'll trying this one also. Okay, I'll parked here besides of dump truck. There is a next one is a Tata truck. So I'll trying this beautiful Tata truck with my hand. Okay, I'll parked here besides of CNG auto rickshaw. And guys, there is the last one is a fire truck or fire crane here. So I will trying this one also. Okay, all parked here. So guys, all of vehicles are toys introduced and today ending my video here. So see you soon with next time with many colorful of toys. Thank you so much.